I'm going to show you how to fold it up with the cut panel in place. Now again, this is a super large +1, so we did have 5 18-foot panels on here. Now there's 4 with the cut gate in place. So the first thing I do is fold my cut panel to the inside. Now that it's folded inside, you know that this panel has to go to the outside instead of the third, because it will not overlap on top of this one. So it's just backwards. If this one goes to the outside, that means this one goes to the inside, which means that this one goes to the outside. So your 4th panel goes to the outside. And inside. Ready to fold onto